Dini ang kaisa joto bai share khainung sungman ke indigenous ni sal ni upolokhe chini gabang ma indigenous ni manui rok phunugnani je ani aro collection tongmana ang share khaine tan ke chini indigenous ni joto manui rok kamai tongbai kha ke bung rok busung pok tongbai kha ang chini next generation nuglangthang silangthang amni bagai ang ani no je collection tongo te ang snamani ang pagmani ani yak bai snama rok no ang share khaine tabo kaisa kaisa ke ang bung sanai ke ang english bai bhaine kisa sanai tamke chini manai rok umtu he bung rok term rok world rok bu sangsar rok bu khnabai thang sibai thang nokbai thang hain bagai just bung term to chi ko rok no sanai haifan borok no kisa kisa english bai bhaine sai khana ronai hain hai jotono khulumkha tan bhake ani video nai tongman bagai obongkha a mini personal expo and personal ni expo nei angtini 2026 ni indigenous day upolokhe arrange khaimani. I am representing Triprasa or Tripuri people of Tripura, Northeast India. I belong to Jamatia community and there are many tribes in Tripura. About 90 to 20 tribes in Tripura recognized officially. I wish the International Day of World Indigenous People Happy Indigenous Day. Now I am presenting my Indigenous people's materials which I have collected and I have made by my hand, handmade. So I am going to introduce one by one our language, Kok Borok term. Our next generation also, let them know. For our indigenous peoples, primitive things are going to extinct. So I collected and preserved it and some are made by myself. So this is we call risha. This also risha, this one also risha, which cover women's chest. Then this ornaments called rangbutang. This is chandrahar and this is sangeng. This is called mathia. So these are used by our ancestor like my grandmother and her grandmother, but it is rarely found at present in our place. I'm going to introduce first ornaments. These are all rangbutang wearing women's and this also mathia. This one is mathia. This is wakho, like I'm wearing this one. Here is also we can see rangbutang, chandrahar and mathia and also wakho. These are very few I'm introducing. There were many ornaments in our community, but some are already lost or not found. After ornaments, jewelry, I'm going to show bamboo and cans material. This is called po in Kok Borok in our language. These are only sample, small. These are in big size we use, but shifting cultivation in the hill area, we use this in, this one is tingxing. We call it tingxing. It is also small size, but we use very big size. We keep here when we go to jungle or forest, we keep firewood here like this for carrying firewood or anything purposes. And this one is a wine cradle to keep the baby. When baby is sleeping, we used to put here and there will be rope and in the sling it is hanging, so it will be swing like this. Waying, okay, waying hono chin srai ro tak nugliana o kotor kes namu absek leino ro mokoloi chini siling ro mai dekhoi ro rogoi narta. This one is called japa. Japa hono. It is used for putting cloth like suitcase and box used in ancient time. It is also small size. We make it bigger size so that we can put many cloth inside the japa. And this one is called kutru. This also used for putting our clothes and preserving good clothes so that we can use for future or festival and all. Then this one is langa. Langa also used for carrying anything like rice and paddy, everything we put here and carry one place to another place. This one is used as an umbrella when we go to paddy field. When there is sunshine and rain, we put in our head to protect ourselves. And this one, this is biling. Clean the paddy or rice we use like this. These are top shirt made of our loinloom cloth, which is made by ourselves by the help of loinloom. This is shirt, this waistcoat, this shirt. And this one is, we call dhuti, Kok Borok dangbai. Dhuti or dangbai for the men to wear as a towel. It's somehow said this one is rignai. We say rinai, and with this rinai, we use this type of cloth, modern dress. This is not our original or identity dress, but just I like it. That's why I made. These are our Tripuri people's motif. We call it Bia Butui. These are Bia Butui. And this one also from Rignai Mereng. This is called Rignai Mereng. From that we make it like Risha. These are all Risha. This top are all Risha. Here below are all Rignai. Here many motifs are there in our Tripuri community. There are hundred motif or design. These are all one by one. There is name. There is name. Of course, nowadays we people almost forget the flower or motif names. These are Thaiplobar. We say it Thaiplobar. Thaiplo is kind of fruits. That fruits flower like that fruits flower. That is why we call it Thaiplobar. This is called Athukribar. Athukri means star. This is called Sairungku. Sairungku means broken rice. We call Rungku. So this flower name is Sairungku. Then this one is Kendra. Kendra means a kind of insect. This one is mainly found in Jamatia community. This motif is mainly found in Jamatia community. It is called Kharomustu. So there are many flowers and motifs. Some are unknown to me. And for the Tripuri people identity, to know the Rignai or Risha, how to identify. So this one is the main, we call it Pali. This one is called Pali. So both side Pali there is Kakaitu. We call it Kakaitu. Like you can see, this one is Kakaitu. And Kakaitu, then these are Mereng. We call Mereng. Mereng means mixed color. So this is mainly identical for Rignai. How to recognize for Risha also like this one Pali. We call it Pali. This one Kosam Pali, meaning black Pali, and this one is Kakaitu. You can see here Kakaitu. This side also Kakaitu, and this one is Mosra. These are the main things to know or to identify the Risha of Tripuri people. Like you see here, this one is Pali. Here is black Pali, red Pali, and this one blue Pali. This one red Pali. This one is white Pali. This one also blue Pali. So in this way, we can recognize or identify our Risha of Tripuri people or Tiprasa. Our Tripuri people, indigenous people, have the culture to have rice in the banana leaves. This is banana leaf. In ancient time, always they use banana leaves for eating rice. And there is one more things very important to inform you. This is gudok. It's kind of our typical curry, very popular and very famous, popular and delicious for our people. So this gudok is made of bamboo shoot. It is made of bamboo shoot. It is very much dear to our people. Ang English by Saka tambang ke sini omte instrument rok dignai rok bini dofan borokbu silang thungnai ke arbising sai rok tongtheba niro joto correction khaidi English singke to foreign language tambang ang select khai ke International Day of World Indigenous People niba ang English no select khaila matai maya tikhan एपाने किसाले प्रभु बुझिसिनाय जे वर्ल्ड जे खनाय तंगनेर बे अपतिखे चिनि कल्चर चिनि आइडेन्टिटी बयबो नुकथों सिनिथों जाजागनाय नुखाके अबहाय गोबां बरक दंगो नुगिया सिया न खासिगै रुतुय फाइन्ड आउट खायो स्टाडि खायनाय अबहाय गोबां संसार दं एपाने जों कानेक्ट मायन बागै चिनि कल्चर न बै सिया ते स्टाडि खायफैया हाइन बागै दिनै जतन थानि Zairok mungkiba nirok sungsudun kaidi komen no bahine rodi sampai jotono kurungka.